Imams in the past, after the first few generations, became very specialized and were very effective in their roles when they were specialized. Now we have again a situation where we have this dearth of imams, and we have imams fulfilling many different roles with very high expectations. We have expectations that imams are going to function as leaders of the prayer, are going to resolve the youth problems of the community, are going to be able to teach our children effectively tajweed, Islamic law, fiqh, and hadith. And they're also going to be arbitrators, counselors for our youth, counselors for the adults. They're going to serve as muftis and give fatwa when it's required from them. And oftentimes, some of these roles are pro bono. They're considered voluntary roles. So when we talk about imams and psychotherapy, psychotherapy, interestingly enough, is just one of many expectations that is brought on the shoulders of an imam, and oftentimes not from even the administrators of the masjids. It was a study done in New York some years ago with some youth in the community, and it asked them as to how they conceptualize the role of imams. And the vast majority of them responded and stated that they did in fact expect the imam of the masjid to also be a counselor for them, to be a reference for them when it came to issues of mental health, spiritual guidance, life coaching, etc. So whether this is ideal or not, this is the reality, right? Imams today are serving as counselors because people are referring to them as counselors. And that is oftentimes without any formal training in counseling, without any degree in any of the behavioral sciences, without any mentorship also of individuals who are professionals in the field. And also, interestingly enough, especially in non-Muslim countries, the imams have very little also like suhba or mentorship and companionship with spiritual counselors or sheikhs who in fact are very effective in their roles. So they're not even necessarily very well trained in serving as a spiritual leader because of the various socioeconomic factors involved in their studies, etc.